Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Dave Adams. This is my course HTML and CSS for Novices, where I tackle HTML and CSS topics from the basics. I've organized this course into a playlist which is going to appear in the banner at the top. You can check out all the videos if you want to learn more about HTML and CSS. I also urge you to like and subscribe as it helps with the algorithm. And also, if you have any concerns, suggestions or comments, use the comment section. In today's video, we're going to talk about HTML formatting or text formatting. Let's get right into it. HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. Formatting elements were designed to display text with special meanings. So basically, there are some texts that you need to stand out from the rest within a paragraph or within a sentence. And this is where formatting elements come in. Examples of these formatting elements are B for bold, strong, I for italics, M, emphasis, mark, small, delete, insert, subscript, and superscript, which are very important in some cases. These elements are important for semantics, basically. So some of these elements create appearances on certain elements that can be achieved using CSS. But it's not just about the appearance. Text readers and basically browsers and PCs or MacBooks or whatever device you use are basically told what these elements stand for or their functions. So for instance, we have text with strong. The browser or the text reader or the machine knows that emphasis needs to be placed on that text. Now we're going to go into Visual Studio Code to get some practice. Now that we're in Visual Studio Code, we're going to clear this code from our previous video on HTML lists. And we're going to input formatting in the title. Today we're not going to do too much of CSS because we are basically focusing on formatting elements. So let's just use the paragraph and say this is an example text. And this is how it looks in the browser. Now we can place M, for example, which is an inline element, and place example within M. Now going into the browser, you can see that this has been changed. Now it has an italic style. Now you can copy this line and duplicate it. So now I would want to change this to bold with the B tag. Now going into the browser, you can see that the example has been made bold. And this can be changed. This can also be affected using CSS. You can just basically change the font width styling for that particular text. But as I said, it's important for semantics. You can also go strong. And it has the same effect as bold, but the difference is bold may not necessarily tell a text reader to place emphasis on that particular text, whereas strong will. Let's duplicate this again and change this to I or italics. And it has the same effect as the emphasis tag. Now we can also use sub So the trick for doing this is to highlight the portion of text that you want to select and press Ctrl D to select a similar text. So it's also going to select the next occurrence of B. Now I want to change this to sub. And you can see that now this has been made into a subscript of an. You can change that same text to superscript, which is SUP. And now it's a superscript. So I'm going to just duplicate this and change it down here. So basically that's what we have for today. I will urge you to continue to get some practice in, continue to study, read wide concerning HTML and CSS, and you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about HTML quotations.